Hello students, welcome back to our digital class. Today we are going to learn computer. So let's begin with lesson number 3, adding objects in MS Word. Today we are going to learn to add shapes, smart art, screenshots, hyperlinks, word art and symbols. So let's begin with how to add shapes in MS Word. MS Word provides you with a feature that helps you to add different shapes to your document. There are many built-in shapes available in MS Word such as oval, rectangle, circle, stars and many more, so that you can select and add as many shapes as you want in your document. To insert a shape, step 1 is open a new MS Word document. On the Insert tab from Illustrations group, click on the Shapes drop down arrow. See children, on the screen you can see the illustration group. On that you will click on Shapes and then you can see, you will get a big list of shapes, and from that you can select any of the shape you want. Next is adding smart art. Now see children, MS Word provides you with a smart art feature which allows you to represent information graphically in the form of list, hierarchy and pyramids. It helps in making learning easy and simple to understand. It consists of different graphical layouts to represent your content. So let us learn how to insert a smart art in Word document. So see children, can you see the illustration group on the screen? Yes, in that you have smart art option. So you will click on that smart art option and then you will choose smart art. In the graphic dialog box from the left pane, click pyramid. You will get this type of window open on your screen, and then from the various pyramid layout options, click on basic pyramid and you will get a window opened which is there on the right side of your screen. Now let us see how to add screenshot. Now see children, MS Word provides you with the screenshot option to capture on-screen images easily and quickly. Now the easy way to take screenshot is, what you are going to do is, you have a print screen option on your keyboard, right? You have a print screen key. Okay, so you will press that key and then where you want the screenshot, what you will do is you will press Ctrl plus V so that your screen will get copied. This is the easy way how you can take a screenshot. See, can you see the both pictures? Yes, they are the screenshots. Now next is adding hyperlink. Now what is a hyperlink? Now see children, MS Word provides you with a hyperlink feature that allows you link a web page, email address or a program to your document. Now see, let me give you an example. Every day your teacher sends you a link, and when you click on that link, you get a video displayed on YouTube, right? So similarly, we have the hyperlink which appears in blue color with underline. Now see, besides the illustrations group, you have the link group and that you have the hyperlink. You will click on that and in Word type anything you want. For example, I have taken types of flowers, that is rose, lily, lotus, daisy. Select any word to create hyperlink. Next is on the Insert tab from the Links group, click Hyperlink. In the Insert Hyperlink window, in address box, enter required web page address to create hyperlink and then click OK. The word lotus appears linked to an image. See children, can you see on the screen? Yes, the lotus, it is underlined, right? So that is your hyperlink. Now next we have is adding a bookmark. Now what is a bookmark? Bookmark option is used to mark a word, image, sentence or paragraph. It allows you to easily search the marked text. So to add a bookmark, you need to select the word daisy, means you can select any word, but I have selected the word daisy. Okay. Now next is on the Insert tab from Links group, click Bookmark. Next is in Bookmark window, in the bookmark name box type daisy. See, can you see the third window? Yes, there you will type daisy. Now under sort by, ensure that name option is selected. See, can you see the option sort by? There you have name and location. So there you are going to select name. Okay. Now click the add button. The bookmark gets added. Now next is you have to find and replace an option, right? So on the home tab from editing group, click on find drop down arrow. From the drop down list, click go to. Can you see there go to? Yes. So in the find and replace dialog box, in go to what section, can you see there? Go to what section? Can you see there on the top? Go to what? Yes. So on that, go to what section? Click bookmark. Can you see there in blue bookmark? Yes. So next is in the enter bookmark name box from drop down list, select bookmark name. Since there is only one bookmark in document, the bookmark daisy automatically appears in the enter bookmark name box. Then click on go to button. The bookmark text gets highlighted in the document. Okay. Now next is we have adding word art. Now what is word art? Word art modifies text to make it colorful and give it artistic effect. It changes the way a document looks. So let us learn how to add word art to document. So to insert a word art, step 1 is on the Insert tab from the text group, click word art from the drop down arrow. Okay. Then next is from the drop down list, select word art style. See, can you see here are many types of word art styles. So you can select any style from it. Then in the text place holder, can you see that edit word text? Okay, so there I have typed good morning. Okay, and whatever the style you have selected, according to it, the good morning, whatever the text is, it will get displayed. Okay. Next is adding symbols. Now MS Word allows you to add different symbols and special characters to your document. Symbols contain alphabets, emojis, numbers, etc. So let us learn how to add symbols to Word document. So first is to insert symbol. On the insert tab from symbols, click group symbol. Can you see there? Equation, under that you have symbols, so you will click on symbols. So there you will get a few symbols. Okay, so when you click on more symbols, can you see there down more symbols? Yes, so when you click on more symbols, you will get this. Can you see on the right hand side? Yes, you will get many symbols. So children, can you see on the right hand side? You have a list of many symbols. So with this, we end up with the lesson. So all those who have laptops and PC at home, you will practice this topic at home. Thank you.